In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint to your Moodle course. Let's get started from your course homepage. First, make sure you're on the exact course where you want the file to appear. To make changes, you need editing enabled. Look for the Turn Editing On button, usually near the upper right of the page. Click it, and you'll see extra controls appear throughout your course sections, confirming you're in editing mode. Now choose the section where your PowerPoint should live. This might be a weekly block or a topic area. Inside that section, click Add an activity or resource. A panel will pop up with different options. Select File from the list of resources. This is perfect for sharing a single PowerPoint file with your learners. Then click Add to open the file settings. In the settings, start by giving your resource a clear, concise name. This is the text your students will see on the course page, so something like Lecture 3 Slides or Week 2 PowerPoint works well. Consistent naming helps students find what they need quickly. Next, under Select Files, you have two simple ways to upload your PowerPoint. If it's handy on your desktop or in a folder, drag the PPT or PPTX file straight into the upload box. If you prefer browsing, click the Add or Choose File button, locate your PowerPoint on your computer, and confirm upload. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. It's always a good idea to upload the final version to avoid confusion later. Before saving, open the appearance settings to choose how the file will display. Inline will attempt to show the file within the browser if the system supports it, which can be convenient for quick viewing. In Pop-up, opens the file in a separate window or tab, keeping your course page tidy. Just be aware that some browsers may block pop-ups unless allowed. Pick the option that best fits your course style and your learners' devices. When you're ready, scroll down and click Save and Return to Course if you want to go back and see the new link in context, or Save and Display if you'd like to preview just this resource. After saving, you should see the file listed in the section you chose, ready for students to access. That's it. Editing on, add a file resource, upload your PowerPoint, choose the display, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.